Are you gonna help me do some plumbing today?
Yeah.
Yeah. You playing with Mommy's tape measure?
Yeah.
So, what we're doing today is we're fixing Mommy's tub. There's a leak down in there. So we have to replace this black pipe all the way down. This is my little partner. He's going to be helping me with the tub. So the one pipe connects up there. I see you. And the other pipe connects down under here. And that is the part right there that's broken. So this is the kit that we're going to be using. You want to show me the pieces in the kit, buddy? You want to pull them out?
All of them?
Sure. So that is the piece that goes up at the top there. You can see that in the pipe. Alright, you want to grab one of the other pieces?
And here's how it goes.
That is the connector Y that connects the two pieces together at the bottom of the tub and the top.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, over there.
Do you want to show me the other pieces, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay. That's one of the 90s that we need. How about the ones in the plastic bags? Okay.
Open them.
That one there is the drain.
Mom, actually, we can't come in here to help.
Yeah.
This is going to be really noisy. You won't like this.
Hi. You want to keep us company, baby?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then it closes the drain, and then the water won't come out. Then you do this, and the water can come out.
Oh, don't pull on it too hard, you break it. You just did pushes. So you push it once to close and then push it again to open. So this is a saw that we're going to use to get in there and cut. It just goes back and forth like this. And what I like about this one is the blade doesn't spin, so you can actually touch this when it's on and not cut yourself. But you don't want to touch it on purpose, right?
Why?
Because saws are always sharp.
Is that so sharp?
Yep.
Okay.
So we got the pipe cut off.
Pipe cut off.
Yep, got the pipe cut off.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, now we're just going to clean the edges off.
Clean the edges.
And I think we might need to go get some sandpaper.
Sandpaper? You just
Okay.
the pipe.
Got some sandpaper, so
So we're going to wash the pipe, and then just want to wash the pipe, and then we're going to do all the stuff. And then, is the pipe moving?
yeah,
That's the hole.
we got it all loose right now.
And it's all loose right now. And this hole makes a little fluke. So, my dad's washing the pipe. My dad. And he's washing through my mom's tub. And
Alright, I think that should be good enough.
then,
So we've taken this piece apart.
what?
You want to take a picture of it?
Yep.
So we've taken this piece apart so we can screw this in
Yep.
and mock it up into this piece.
Okay.
Now we're going to put it in here.
Put on.
Actually put it on your... Okay, so it's just in there loose, so we can get a good measurement of the next piece of paper we need to cut.
Yep.
Okay, so just make sure to make a mark where the 2 is. to cut it. Where the 2 is. Yep, and just a straight line from the 2. Perfect. So this stuff, you don't want to eat it if it's flammable. Little skull crossbones, little flames. Okay, good. Glue that into place. And then this is the silicone we're going to use. Okay. Got a little piece made up. Got a little joiner, and you're on top of the piece. So we're going to take this back out.
That can see me
I can see this.
in the picture. Can I do it?
Oh, that's good. That is enough. So that's all we needed.
My mom's gonna be mad because we broke her cloths.
Oh, maybe because good cloths to wipe the silicone. Oh, and just forgot an important piece.
What?
The gasket.
Yeah.
Can you take a picture?
Yes.
Gasket. That goes underneath the tub, in like that. We start off with the duck. So we're gonna try out the duck. I think we're doing not bad, no leaks down there. And we got good silicone on up there.